Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra and I am from the Bay Area. I'm 28 years old. This is gonna be a very much needed productive vlog. This is the first night I sleep in my bed in like a week. I was away for work. I went to Vegas for like an entire five days, yeah. And then I just came back yesterday, and throughout that time I honestly didn't get as much sleep. Like the first few days I did, but our call time was so early. I work in marketing, I do social media. We had a huge event in Vegas, so our call time was early, didn't much sleep. Obviously it was my first time in Vegas, so we also wanted to like go out. My plane landed back here on Friday, and then Friday I had to go to my parents, so I literally got here, slept like 4 hours, fell asleep, took a nap, and then I went to my parents because yesterday we had a full lake day with my family. Today I just allowed myself to sleep, so I am tired, but we have so much to do. I have to clean, I have to catch up on emails, I have so much to do. I have to edit and post a video, I have to catch up on my content. Everything you can think of, I have to do today. Groceries, everything. Leo needs food. Today is gonna be a super productive day. We're getting back on track today, and I'm really excited to get back into my routine. So yeah, I've been just really busy. I feel like this event that we had in Vegas was just really taking over. Like I had like 9-hour shift, one of them was like 15-hour shift. Like it was super busy. I'm barely like 2 months, I think it's been 2 months at this job. I'm really grateful to have a job where I can travel, because I've never ever had a job where like I get to travel, or travel is like 10-15% of the job or anything like that. So this is my first time having a job where it includes travel, and obviously everything is covered completely. So yeah, it's been really a crazy experience. I've never experienced that before, and it's super cool, especially going somewhere new that I've never been, and like being able to like explore it, and then obviously work a lot, but also get to like have fun. Literally didn't have to worry about anything because everything was covered. So that's crazy to me because I've never had that before. So yeah, I'm super grateful. So this is the list of things that I want to get done. We're going to go through them because we really need to get all this stuff done today. I do not have a Vegas vlog because it was just too crazy for me to like be vlogging, but I do have like a lot of like posting from that over on Instagram, and I'll be posting on that on TikTok as well, so just follow me on there. Okay, we went for a walk and it's definitely getting warmer out there, but I want to show you my crazy bad situation that we have in the room, because last night we had people over, so I just moved everything into a room, and so I definitely need to unpack. This is the before, so I have to make the bed. I have to still unpack dirty clothes, do laundry. I have some PR I need to go through, and some of them I also need to post still. This is from the lake that I packed yesterday, and then my desk obviously needs some help. So let's get started. Okay, we finally have a clean room, so let me show you. Nothing's on the floor. We're good. I finished unpacking, so vacuumed and everything. I feel so much better. So this is also how my desk is looking. So I have 2 little packages. So this one right here, I have to film. It's just a gifted collaboration. I usually don't do clothing, so I got really excited when they reached out, and then I'm gonna film that one today. And then this one right here is Just Beauty. This is a paid collab. I just opened up my laptop so I can go through my emails because I'm really behind. I didn't take like my personal laptop to Vegas, so I am so behind on emails. I tried to do a little bit like on my phone, and it was really hard because honestly I barely had time, and I had to really like, you know, go through all of them. So I know I have a lot to go through right now, So I'm gonna go through that. I'm gonna focus on emails for now, while also reviewing what I have to film for these 2 little packages. I would like to do them today because the lighting is still good, and also I have work tomorrow and I know I'm gonna be busy and tired. So I'm gonna do emails now, so let's do that. Okay, it is much later. We have already had our leftover food from last night, so we had just leftover Indian food since that's what we had with our friends last night. We need to do groceries and also get Leo's food, so we're gonna do those errands next. Laundry is washed, but I still need to fold it, so we'll do that later. I ended up filming 2 videos. One was a paid collab, one was just like a gifted collab, so I filmed both of those, which I'm really happy about, to finally like be able to like have those already. So let's go and do some errands. Finally getting a car wash. We have our little list here. I use the Amazon Alexa app. As always, I've been using this for a while. We honestly make the same thing every single week. We just added like a tuna salad this time around because it's been so hot. Do you want fruits?
What's that one for?
Tomato?
Yeah.
For the chipotle.
Yeah, I'll get more.
I love these plantain chips. I haven't gotten them in a while. I'm looking for the muffins. Strawberry. Strawberry. Granola.
You can get a line and I'll catch up to you.
Okay, we're at Target now, and we're looking for Leo's food, dry food and wet food. But we get Kindful from his dry food, so Kindful sponsor me. We usually get, well, now he's not a puppy, he just turned 1. They have a lot of good stuff, so it's a pretty big bag, so it lasts us a long time since we mix it with the wet food. I'm always tempted to get him a toy or something whenever we come here. For wet food, we get Fresh Pet, because that's what we've been getting. We mix it with the dry food. So we try to change it up, so like get 1 turkey, 1 beef, 1 chicken, stuff like that. So we usually get 3. What the heck? Why is there a slipper toy? Since when do they make slipper toys for dogs to bite? Caesar was saying this is really bad. Leo has already destroyed a good amount of my shoes, so this would be probably the worst toy to make him think that he should destroy all shoes. Now we're trying to get him we're trying to get him a toy now. See, we always want to get him a toy whenever we come get him food. It's just a bad habit because he doesn't need that many toys. But he usually stays home while we're gone. What is that? He's gonna just destroy all these. We brought him back a lot of toys from San Diego recently, so he doesn't eat like stuffed ones, he needs like entertainment. Yeah. We switched it up and we ended up getting the beef so that he could try another one because we usually get chicken, so I'm gonna fill this up. Siéntate. Catch. Yes. Good boy. Okay, I also ended up getting these Busy Bones. I don't know, he's never had them before, but I thought we'd try them out because since he stays home, I feel like this would be good for him to keep busy while we're gone. So these are long-lasting chew and there's a fork in the middle. So this is what they look like. I'm pretty sure he'll love them, but I'm gonna give him one tomorrow, not today. Doing a face mask. This is the Wild Huckleberry 8 Acid Polishing Peel. So I've been using this one for a while. It's been like my go-to. I really like it. It feels really nice. Now it's dried, so I need to take it off. But this is the last thing before I'm going to bed because I am exhausted. It is 10:30 and I am so tired of work tomorrow because it's Monday again. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.